Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Emily Freybler. So today is November 11th and that means it is the first day of moving week. We move to Greenville, South Carolina on Friday and today's Monday. And so I've just been spending like a few hours cleaning up the place. Tomorrow we have packers coming, and then Wednesday we have the moving truck coming. So it's getting really real, and in like maybe 20 minutes, a donation lady is coming. So I wanted to show you our apartment before she takes away my dresser because it is super old. I got it from Habitat for Humanity. Restore when I was like a sophomore in college, freshman in college. So it's like 4 years that I've had it, and I refurbished it, made it white, painted the inside pink, and the drawers just don't work very well. They get stuck all the time, and it's just kind of falling apart a little bit. So I'm gonna get a new dresser, but then when she takes that, my clothes are just gonna be everywhere. So it's not gonna be like neat at all. My office right now is still kind of a disaster. I'm putting away clothes. I've also been decluttering a little bit, so there's kind of like trash and stuff that I need to take out. Doing laundry, you know, just prepping to move, which is so crazy. Luna's actually on our bed right now. She messed up the bed a little bit, but I wanted to show you the bedroom. So this is our bedroom that you come into off of the hallway, and oh, it's so cute. And this is the dresser I was talking about. It's really pretty. I like how it looks. Oh, hey in the mirror. But like I said, it's kind of falling apart. And see how the drawers are like pink on the inside? So I like refurbished this, painted it all. It was all like brown before, and it's just kind of falling apart a little bit. So this is our bedroom. This is an extra TV that we'll probably put in our spare room at the other place. But this is how we have it decorated. And I just kind of wanted to document this since this is the last like day that we'll have everything set up. In here is a walk-in closet. That's Caleb's, but I kind of threw some of his clothes in there, so this would be a little cleaner. And then this is our bathroom. So we have 2 beds, 2 bath in this apartment. And both bedrooms and bathrooms like look the same size-wise and everything, but it's really nice because we also have all this storage in here for towels and whatever. So it's not the most organized right now because obviously we are moving like in a couple days. But that's my favorite part about moving because you get to organize everything really frequently if you move a lot like we do. But this is our last move for a while, so it's interesting. Okay, so you come out of this room and you have this hallway. Obviously it's not super clean or clean really, so I'll show you it to you when it's clean. That's the laundry closet, which is very nice to have our own. And then this is like this. So this is one TV we're donating. I have bags of clothes to donate. This is trash to take out. I have cleaning supplies out and everything like that. So it's a mess still kind of, but this is like kitchen, living room, and then living room. Hold on, Caleb's calling me. All right, I actually just got done eating and everything because the donation people came and got all that taken care of, got the dresser out of there. I don't know if I showed you the state of this now. So now we have no dresser. My clothes are all over the place, and that's still the room. But now, instead, when I showed you out here, there's no bags of clothes and a TV and stuff. So this is our living room. I'm definitely gonna miss the fireplace and the mantle. We haven't lit the fireplace. We tried to the other day, but it didn't work. But I'm gonna miss the mantle because I was really looking forward to that for decorating for Christmas. But honestly, being in South Carolina, I'm just happy to be there, and I don't really care about having a mantle. So this is our living room, and I really like it. This is the setup. I kind of want to get a new rug for Christmas time, like so that it's more neutral, so that it's not clashing with Christmas decor this year. But this is how we have it set up and everything. This is our like little area that goes out onto our patio. I have a full video about my patio decor and stuff. It's not looking as great right now, especially because my plant fell over and broke the pot, so I need to deal with that. I feel like some people wonder like how in the world would you decorate a place if you only live there for 6 months, 7 months, 9 months, whatever, that Caleb and I have been living in these places. And like my whole my whole idea on living in these places and whatever is I always want to make it feel like home. And then since we got, especially after living in South Carolina, moving to Mississippi and decorating was so easy because I had everything decorated in South Carolina. In Pennsylvania, it was kind of decorated, but our living room, we didn't have these couches. We had different couches. If you followed me from there, you'll know. And you can look back on past videos if you want. But like after we got these couches especially are such a statement that it's like really easy. I painted these end tables and stuff when we moved to South Carolina. All of that stuff is like in vlogs. And I just really like decorating, so if it's not decorated, it's not put together, and doesn't look nice, I don't feel homey. And just because we move around a lot doesn't mean you can't put the effort in to make it feel like home. And so anyway, that's kind of my whole idea on all this. But I love decorating and making spaces look nice. My least favorite part of the apartment is this whole area. I hate the chandelier. I hate the kitchen, just how it looks especially. But one thing I do love is this gallery wall that we did in South Carolina as well. But I just really love it. The only thing I was just thinking of is, so 2 of these pictures, right? Or wait. This picture is from our street in Pennsylvania, and we lived like downtown. We were in Greensburg, Pennsylvania, and so I have a picture of downtown Greenville that I wanted to put in here, and then also do one maybe in one of these of downtown Jackson, but I just realized I never took a picture down there. I don't think. So if I don't get one, I don't get one. I mean, living here hasn't been the best anyway, but I just thought it'd be kind of cool to like do stuff of like where we've lived and everything. And then this is of course Lunabug and just some quotes. I took this picture of a tulip in like my parents' garden, I think. I enjoy the little things. Caleb wants me to make this like teeny tiny because it's little. This is Compromise because Caleb used to have a wolf blanket and I told him he can't hang it up, so we compromised and I put a wolf in the gallery wall. And then this is Caleb and I when I was a senior in high school and I took a photography class. So we set up like a self-timer and I did this whole series of pictures of like us and me, and it's kind of cool. But anyway, that was from that. So there's my favorite part of the kitchen area. But we are in a 2-bed, 2-bath, and this is the kitchen. I just don't like this light. It's so ugly. And then the microwave makes a lot of noise. The fridge leaks. That's why we have this here and stuff like that. Then my other favorite part of this apartment though is not the trash can, is the pantry, because it's huge. It's not very organized right now at all, but we're moving, so whatever. It's just huge pantry, so that part is really nice. This is the front door. You walk in, you see this area. It's just all nice and open, and then you move into our bedroom is on this side, and I showed you like this is Caleb's closet, and then this is the bathroom, and then this is the hallway with the laundry, and then you move into my office, which I have all set up with my desk that I work at sometimes. Honestly, I work at the couch a lot. And then this is where I film, and this is just kind of storage. And then we have my closet. So this is exactly what Caleb's closet is set up like as well, with these racks on both sides. And that is my closet. So yeah, that is our apartment. I really have liked it. There's definitely things that I don't like about it, but that's like with every apartment. I'm so excited though to move back to Greenville because this time we're getting a 2-bed, 2-bath. We had a 1-bed, 1-bath last time, if you follow me from when we lived in Greenville, South Carolina. And yeah, it's gonna be so nice. We're actually at the same complex that we were at before, so and actually in the same building, which is crazy, but obviously in a 2-bed this time. So I'm very excited to have an office again and just like space to do my filming and all that kind of stuff. So I just got word from Caleb as well that he talked to the moving guy, and I don't know if I explained it on here, but today is Monday and tomorrow the packers come at 8 a.m. and they are going to be like packing and everything, and we were not sure if they were going to move everything tomorrow too, because originally they were going to come on Wednesday to pack and move, but they weren't sure if they could do it all in one day. So I think he said that they're actually going to try and pack and move it all tomorrow instead of coming back on Wednesday to move it all. So if they do that, that would be great. And he also Caleb talked to the guy, and he said he's gonna try and deliver it on Saturday, which would be insane because we would literally leave Jackson on Friday morning, get there, sleep on an air mattress for a night, and then hopefully they would come and deliver it on Saturday, which we were not really expecting. Honestly, I've been expecting us to not have furniture for a little while, so that would be so exciting because I could unpack and everything during the week, and then my parents come the next weekend. So it's so excited. I cannot wait to move. I'm noticing that this is already long, and I honestly need to cut it out because got lots of other stuff to film. But that is kind of what's going on. That's our apartment right now. It's a little nostalgic, but not really at all compared to like the other times we've moved. Like when we moved from Pennsylvania, it was kind of nostalgic because it was our first apartment together, Caleb and I's first place together. And then when we moved from Greenville, obviously we were so sad to leave friends, and we loved the area and, you know, all that kind of stuff. But now I'm just excited. Like, I'm not sad to be moving. I'm just all around excited, and I cannot wait to see our friends and hang out with them a good amount and have Trader Joe's and Aldi and Total Wine, and you guys, I cannot wait. Can't wait.